Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important fundamental topic in biomedical image processing called steps in digital image processing. Digital image processing helps computers understand, improve and analyze images. This concept is widely used in medical imaging, satellite imaging, robotics and artificial intelligence. From ancient times, humans depend on images to understand the world. For example, doctors use X-rays and scans to diagnose diseases. Earlier images were used in areas like space exploration, medical diagnosis, military surveillance, but early images had many problems. They may blurry, storage was difficult, analysis was very hard. So the scientists felt the need for better and clear image interpretation. This led to the development of digital image processing. Initially, images were processed using analog methods. Analog processing includes manual photo editing, electrical signal processing, but these methods had problems. Quality control was poor and processing was slow, accuracy was limited. So the researchers introduced a new idea, convert images into numbers in the digital form. Once that converted, computers can store images easily, images can process accurately, image quality can be improved. This formed the foundation of digital image processing. In the medical field, image processing is very important. It helps improve clarity of MRI, CT and X-ray images, detect diseases accurately and support doctors in diagnosis. Hence, biomedical image processing plays a major role in healthcare. So the medical image processing originated to improve the clarity and accuracy of the images for better diagnosis. This stages focuses on understanding the image problem. Here we ask, why is this image required? And who is using it? A doctor or engineer or researcher. We also identify problems like noise in image, blur, low contrast, knowledge bias helps by giving prior information about the image. The main goal is to understand real world image challenges before solving them. After understanding the problem, we clearly define the task. We ask, do we want to improve image quality, want to detect objects, or want to reduce the storage size? The output can be improved image, extracted features. So the converted user requirement into a clear digital image processing problem. Digital image processing consists of several steps used to acquire image, improve image, analyze image and interpret the image. These steps are divided into two categories. First one is methods that produce improved images and second one is that extract the image features. And this is the overall block diagram of the steps in the digital image processing. This is the image acquisition. This is the first step in image capture using camera, sensors, scanner. The camera captures the light and converts into an electrical signal. Then signals are converted into digital pixel. Basic pre-processing like noise reduction also happens here. The output is digital image. The next step is improves the visual appearance of the image. Examples adjust brightness, improve contrast, and sharpen edges, smooth noise. This step is subjective because improvement depends on the human viewing perception. Restoration removes distortions caused by the noise, blur, motion effects. Unlike enhancement, restoration uses mathematical models like removing motion blur using filters. This is objective and scientifically calculated. And color image processing, this deals with the color images instead of grayscale. Uses color models like RGB, HSV. This is used in medical imaging, multimedia and internet graphics like that it is used. And wavelet and multi-resolution processing, this technique represents the images in different resolutions. It divides the images into smaller components used for image compression and image representation like that. And image compression, it is used for the storage purposes. It reduces the transmission bandwidth and very important in internet applications. There are two types of compressions are there, lossless compression and lossy compression. In lossless compression, there is no data loss in that, but lossy compression, then some data loss, but it have the high compression rate. And the morphological processing. This focuses on the shape and the structure of the object. Common operations like erosion, dilation, mostly used in binary images, used to extract the meaningful and object components. And the image segmentation. This divides an image into meaningful regions or objects. Example, separating tumor region from healthy tissue. Segmentation is one of the most challenging steps. Good segmentation makes further analysis easier. And next one is representation and description. After segmentation, objects are converted into usable form. Representation use boundary representation, region representation. This description extract the features like area, shape, texture. These features help identify the objects. And next one is object recognition, assigns labels to objects used to extract features. Example, detecting cuban or identifying vehicle. And knowledge bases stores the prior information like image database, object rules, and region information. This improves the processing accuracy. And these are the references. So overall digital image processing follows a structured sequence starting from the image acquisition to object recognition. It helps improve image quality and extract meaningful information, especially in medical applications. Thank you.